Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download all your photos from Google Photos on your PC. So you can see I have photos on here. If you go to one of your photos, you do have the option to just simply download it under here if you hit the three little dots. But the problem is you can only download one at a time, which is very inconvenient, and there's no option for you to download everything under here. So what you want to do is just go to your profile picture and go to manage profile. You can do it under here, or you can just go to like google.com. and sign in with the same account. And go to your profile under here and go to manage your Google account. So once you hit manage your Google account, you want to go over to the left and go to data and privacy. Scroll on down under here. And there's going to be an option called content saved from Google services. So you're going to see like Google Play, Yahoo, and YouTube and Gmail. So click on this. Scroll on down until you see Google Photos. Here it is. I only have 388 photos on this account. We can go to download. So there's an option to download. Okay, now we can go on down. And you can see I have previous downloads on here or exports. I can just go to download and export it right here. So we want to select Google Photos. Go to next step. Now, I would suggest if you keep downloading them from here, you can go to export every 2 months for 1 year. You could try that out. And there will be a download link for you whenever you come back here. But you can just go to export once if you want it now. Now, if you have a lot of photos, you probably want to increase the file size. Let's say you got like 10,000 photos and you have it selected 2 gigabytes. Well, it's going to create multiple files of 2 gigabytes. So if you have a larger file, it'll all download as one. So it says the output of your request might be delivered in multiple files. So just make sure this is selected large enough. So 2 gigabytes is probably good because I only have 388. I can go to create export now. And then you can see down here, it is going to process the export. It says Google is creating a copy of your data from Google Photos. And this process can take a while, possibly hours to days to complete. So if you got 10,000 photos, it might take a day for you to get the download link. So it's not going to be instantaneous. I don't know what they have to do on their end. But once it's done, you might get a notification like in your Gmail that it's done, or on my phone, I would get like a pop-up saying it's done. But you can just come back here and hit this download link right here. Go to download. And then you got to enter in your password, of course. And then you should be able to download it onto your computer. So that's the important thing. Just come back here and then hit the download link. And you should be able to get this on your computer now. You just need to extract it because this is going to be a zip file when you take a look at it. So the file type is only zip. So you're going to have to get something on your computer if it doesn't already have it. Probably it already does, but you can just go to the Microsoft Store if you don't. And you can just type in zip. I'm sure it will probably work, but we can just go to zip. And you got things on here called Brezip. This one's good. 4.7. I've used this one in the past. And you can see I can just open this up. And then I should be able to extract those files. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.